to fix Overwatch keeps freezing on Windows. 1. Check your computer specifications. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Run Overwatch as an administrator. Enable run this program as an administrator in Battle.net. Properties. Like this. 3. Repair the game. 4. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. End unnecessary background programs via WTM. Here are the list of reported software: Taxi, NZXT Cam, Xtreme, Xfire, MSI Afterburner, Radiant Pro. 6. Clear temporary game files. 6.1 Terminate all Blizzard-related program, Blizzard Battle.net. App, Agent.exe and Blizzard Update Agent. 6.2. Delete the Blizzard Entertainment folder at %program data %. 6.3 Relaunch Overwatch in Blizzard Battle. .NET App 7. Check for Windows updates. 8. Adjust your virtual memory. 9. Remove and reinstall. Blizzard Launcher.